Spider-Man and Xenomorph alien fusion look like? How would a Predator and Deadpool fusion look like? How would a Scarlet Witch and Grey's alien fusion look like? How would a Scarlet Witch and Martian Manhunter style fusion look like? How would a Scarlet Hulk and Symbiote fusion look like? How would a Doctor Strange and Martian fusion look like? How would a Black Widow and Predator fusion look like? How would a Thor and Xenomorph fusion look like? Among all the fusions, which one do you like? Tap in the comment and don't forget, like, share and subscribe.